And so I've heard, like some companies like SkySpecs, that their inspections are helping some of these wind farm owners kind of tap into those warranties right before they run out. Like you want to get stuff repaired right before it runs out. Is that true?
Yeah, so what you want to do before the warranty runs out, you want to get all the claims in. So if you do have some sort of OEM-related defect, you want to catch it before the warranty runs out.
Yeah, for sure.
Right? It's just like with a car. Before the car warranty runs out, you want to take it to the shop, make sure everything's okay before you continue on using the vehicle. The same thing happens on wind turbines. The problem with wind turbines is they're so massive. To do any thorough inspection, let's say you have 100 turbines, to do an inspection on 100 turbines would take normally a lot of time. So what happens is that the operators or owners, developers, depending who's owning it at the time or who's going to buy it, they want to do an inspection, so they would take samples so there's 100 turbines out there, they'll sample 5 and then extrapolate out and then come to some agreement with the insurance company about how much they're going to pay out. With something like SkySpecs, because they can scan each of the blades in the turbines within roughly 15 minutes per turbine, they can do a whole a whole farm of turbines in a day and have really detailed data. So it just changes the whole marketplace, because now instead of sampling 5 out of the 100, they can't do 100 turbines in a day, but say they do 30 or 40 in a day. So within 3 days, they're going to scan every single turbine that's on that site and have detailed data where turbine 1 is fine, but turbine 5, 22, and 14, and 38 all have these issues that you wouldn't have caught otherwise because you're doing random selections. So it does change the marketplace, because now the next owner of that turbine site, or the current owner, one gets insurance to collect and to fix those turbines. If they're going to sell it, they're going to sell a product that has been brought up to snuff before the transaction happens. So it helps everybody, right? But it does put a little bit more onus on the OEMs to make sure those wind turbines, at least get through that warranty period without many difficulties.